10 points.
Very silent na nag-start itong si Tony De La Cruz, but in the second half, may 10 na siya. He scored only 2 in the first.
Kita niyo naman, TJ Giants never breaking into the 20-point column scoring in all 3 quarters.
And to think, itong kupunan ng Alaska had many turnovers in the third quarter. They had 8, but still, hindi pa rin nakapag-capitalize ang Pure Foods doon. They had no turnover points.
Ito, makikita pa natin dito, no? Yung points per game. Ako, way below their average.
Averaging almost 197 points per game. Ngayon, going into the fourth quarter, 40 points.
At ito, nagkaroon pa nga ng turnover. Patuloy itong masamang nangyayari dito sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. Here's Willie Miller. Inside they go to Sonny Toss. Makes his move. Ay, traveling.
Another turnover ba? Nagre-relax sa maigi. At yung binabanggit mong upuan na minsan lang gamitin ni Coach Tim Cone, iniwanan na niya. Ito, nagsisisigaw na si Coach Tim.
Pero si Coach Tim Cone really wants to show his players na intense pa rin siya kahit ganito kalaki yung lamang. Dahil nga baka bumaba yung intensity ng mga players niya going to this fourth quarter.
Because the worst thing you can do is be complacent. Because kahit halimbawa dito manalo at naging complacent ka, going to the next game, baka mawala yung kanilang iniingatang momentum.
Tsaka kailangan lang ng Pure Foods dito is one big run para makabalik. Pero mukhang hindi mangyayari yun pag ganito ginagawa ng Alaska. Well, Larry Fonasher shooting another TM3. He has a total of 16 points.
Big baskets for Larry Punasher. Coming from that conference high game from last time, 14 points. Ngayon, 16 na siya.
It has been a long night for the Pure Foods TJ Giants.
And the well-rested Willie Miller is inside now.
Okay. Wala na nga yung import ngayon ng Alaska sa loob. Ito si Tony De La Cruz, finds Ferriols. Tuloy pa rin ang ikot ng bola dito ng Alaska. Nakita dito sa corner si Tony De La Cruz. Everybody touching the basketball that time.
Alam mo, kung buhay pa lang yung telestrator natin, ang gandang i-drawing ng pinanggalingan nung basket na yun.
Makakatruhin ka nga ng parol
This is you.
This is you dun sa ikot ng bola na yun. In the meantime, patuloy po nananalasa itong Alaska Aces. Patuloy sila nag-iinit dito sa loob ng Inare Center.